Hi, my name is Gerald. I'm with Meridian Manufacturing in Conveyal. I've been in the seed industry for about 10 years. I'm at the Seed Expo here in Chicago. Excited to be here and present some of our products. And we're in the innovation lounge of the facility if you want to stop by and come and see us. We are big into the seed handling part of the industry. We have, on the Meridian side, manufacture underbin conveyors, incline conveyors. We have the smooth wall bins for all your bulk storage need. Basically everything you need to get your seed to the treater, get it treated, and out to your customer.
I'm Ray with Conveyal Industries, here together with Gerald at the American Seed Trade Association conference here in 2018. Excited to be a Seed World Pro today, exhibiting our seed handling, seed conveyance, seed storage, seed tendering.
On the Meridian and Conveyal side, some of the things that make our conveyors a little different than some of the other stuff out there. Total clean out, easy to empty out the bottom of the conveyor. Don't have the chances of cross-contamination as easy. Our bulk storage facilities are all full smooth wall, no chance of hang up. Aeration's easy to pull out, easy to do. Clean out, clean up, get ready for the next season, and get wrapped up for the year. The U.S. seed market is very important to us. It's constantly changing, constantly growing, seeing more and more of a push into the bulk seed handling side of things across the country. Definitely some areas are a little further along than some other areas are, but definitely see some growth opportunities and want to be a part of it and have the equipment to help out. If you want more information on Meridian or Conveyal, or to find your local dealer, you can find us on the internet at either meridianmanufacturing.com or at conveyal.com.